Imagine starting your day feeling energized, satisfied, and one step closer to your fitness goals, all while keeping your breakfast under 300 calories. That's exactly what we're covering today. 5 easy, healthy breakfast ideas that are both delicious and calorie conscious. Stick around, because the last idea is a total game changer for those hectic mornings when you need something quick yet nutritious. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips for living your healthiest life. Now let's jump in. 1. Greek yogurt parfait, 250 calories. Greek yogurt parfaits are a perfect blend of protein, fiber, and flavor. Start with a half cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt as your base. Layer in 1/4 cup of fresh berries like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. Add 1 tablespoon of granola for crunch and top it off with 1 teaspoon of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Why it works. This breakfast is rich in protein, which helps keep you full, and loaded with antioxidants from the berries. The granola adds a satisfying crunch, but keeping it to 1 tablespoon helps control the calories. Steps. 1. Spoon yogurt into a glass or bowl. 2. Layer berries and granola on top. 3. Drizzle honey to finish. Pro tip: for a twist, try swapping berries with diced mango or kiwi for a tropical vibe. 2. Avocado toast with egg, 280 calories. Avocado toast is a trendy favorite that's both satisfying and nutrient-packed. Toast 1 slice of whole grain bread. Spread 1/4 of a medium avocado, about 50 calories on top. Add a poached or fried egg cooked with a light spray of cooking oil. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a dash of red chili flakes for flavor. Why it works. This breakfast combines healthy fats, fiber, and protein to keep you energized. The avocado provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, while the egg is a powerhouse of protein and essential nutrients like choline. Steps. 1. Toast bread to your liking. 2. Mash avocado and spread evenly. 3. Top with a cooked egg and season. Pro tip: add a few cherry tomato slices for an extra burst of flavor and nutrients. 3. Banana peanut butter wrap, 290 calories. This portable breakfast is as easy as it is delicious. Take a small whole wheat tortilla and spread 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter across the center. Place half a medium banana on the tortilla and roll it up tightly. Why it works. This combo provides a balance of carbs for quick energy and protein for staying power. The peanut butter adds healthy fats, while the banana is a great source of potassium and natural sweetness. Steps. 1. Spread peanut butter evenly on the tortilla. 2. Place banana in the center. 3. Roll it up tightly and slice if desired. Pro tip: for a twist, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon or cocoa powder before rolling for an extra layer of flavor. 4. Overnight chia pudding, 200 calories. This make-ahead breakfast is perfect for busy mornings. In a jar, mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a sweetener of your choice, such as stevia or a 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Stir well and refrigerate overnight. Why it works. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making this breakfast super filling and nutritious. The almond milk keeps it low in calories while adding a creamy texture. Steps. 1. Combine all ingredients in a jar. 2. Stir thoroughly and let sit for 10 minutes. Stir again to prevent clumping. 3. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy in the morning. Pro tip: top with a few sliced strawberries or a sprinkle of shredded coconut for extra flavor. 5. Veggie egg muffins, 300 calories. Egg muffins are a meal prep-friendly option that's both tasty and versatile. Whisk together 3 large egg whites and 1 whole egg in a bowl. Add a 1/4 cup of chopped vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and onions. Pour the mixture into a greased muffin tin, filling each cup halfway. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Why it works. These egg muffins are low in calories but high in protein and packed with vitamins from the veggies. Plus, you can customize them with your favorite vegetables or spices. Steps. 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees 190 degrees. 2. Whisk eggs and mix with chopped vegetables. 3. Pour into muffin tins and bake until set. Pro tip: for added flavor, sprinkle a tiny bit of low-fat cheese on top before baking. There you have it, 5 healthy, delicious breakfast ideas under 300 calories. These meals are quick to prepare, packed with nutrients, and designed to keep you energized throughout your day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. Let me know in the comments which breakfast you'll be trying tomorrow. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.